Good morning. I welcome you all to Rishikul Online School. Today I am going to discuss the model test paper for the month of August. Module 1. Maximum marks are of 80 and the time is 3 hours. Dear children, this model test paper is based on the revised pattern of English. The question paper will consist of a total 11 questions which will be divided into 3 sections, that is A, B and C. Section wise weightage will be as follows. The first reading section will be based on your reading skills. It will be of 30 marks. Earlier there used to be 2 questions, but now there will be 4 questions. Out of these, 2 will be unseen passages and 2 will be seen passages. Section B, writing and grammar, it will be of 20 marks. Literature, textbook and supplementary reader book will be of 30 marks and total 80 marks. Reading comprehension. You are to read this passage very carefully and then based on the reading of this passage, we are to find out the answer to these questions. Dear children, this time you will find MCQs even in reading section. The first question that is here is, the wrong notion about diamonds is that, and the answer is that there exist only white colorless diamonds. Question 2, brown diamonds were considered low in value because, answer is, they were found in a large quantity. Brown diamonds became popular owing to, answer is, the marketing campaigns of Levian. Question 4, the value of a diamond is based on its, answer is, shape, brightness and color. Next question, the largest diamond mine was discovered in, and answer, 1976. The white diamonds are rare because, answer, they are not found around easily. Question number 7. Brown diamonds were considered worthless for, and answer is, jewelry. Based on the shape and brightness, which is the brightest diamond known to mankind? And answer to this question is brown diamond. Find the word from the passage that means a planned set of actions aimed at achieving a particular result. And the answer is campaign. You have to find out this word in paragraph number 2. Last question. Antonym of hardly. It's very easy. Yes, answer is not easy. The answer is easily. That was all for today. Thank you. I'll be meeting you tomorrow with the new module. Till then, bye-bye.